this fourth set will all boil down to mental toughness for both teams right now. At ang tanong nga sa lead troopers ni Coach Rico kanina, tatagal ba kayo sa larong to? Just to check that everyone is really willing to play hard in today's match. Dahil ang nangyari nga in that third set, medyo malamya ang laro nila. Ayaw nilang rumisib at walang laban sa paglalaro. Now, Coach Rico also wanted to see more fire in this set. They need to be more patient, more focused, more talkative, and more willing to do what it takes for the win. And just to quote on Tina Salak, she told her teammates, dapat ready tayo makipagbanggaan sa larong ito. Dapat committed tayo. At dapat kailangan matatag ang loob natin. Kaya nga tayo tinawag na Army dito dahil tayo ang champion. Sev?
Thank you very much, Rina Villamor, with that update. And now really going into very deep waters. They're going very deep into their bench. They're looking for a firecracker here. They now put in Cruz.
Yeah, you know, but Dalia Cruz can be a starter in any other team.
Samantala si Soltones, ang baby ng pamilya. She's the young player from San Sebastian, Bunag. Dalia Cruz sends it airborne. Tries this, look out, but how can you tell? Going says, I'm committed.
Oh, Salak saved that.
Buhay pa. Ay, tapos.
But she had the right thing in mind, ha?
Gustong mamatay ni Cotruang nung pero... Look at the smile. That's why we love the Thais, you know? Kahit mawapoys. Ngiti lang eh. All of them, no? Yung Cassini, Jeng Buali, Dalia Cruz.
That's why parang they're not any different from us, eh?
Yes. Olgohin kept that in play.
Good reception. Well, they were given a reward for good reception.
Soltones say, come here. Let me give you some love. Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Oh boy, this is Smart. Is nothing really special. Just heads up volleyball, you know?
They're just, they're just receiving better, but in terms of attacks, it's just Army has no blockers, no reception. Oh, good save by Gonzaga.
And Bunag sends it over nicely. Roses just a bit late on the jump there. Oh, Alarca is caught in the act with her hand in the cookie jar.
Well, they are, really, Army struggling to find form dito sa match na to.
No, I agree, 100%. In the second set, pwede pa ng third, they lost it. Their grip on the game loosening up here. Dalia Cruz, it's off the blocker. Cotruang couldn't get to it.
I think they do need Dalia Cruz in this match because, Dalia Cruz, every time she comes off the bench, she seems like, ready.
Yes.
Ready for battle.
Yes, I'm ready here. Shock trooper. Mikasas the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Here's a miss by Rosas, kept in play by Going, who moves so well as a libero.
And Eliza Valdez moves so well in all parts of the court.
Ooh, but they mess up the serve. Cotruang, apologetic. It is not yet over. Smart Maynilad is not out of this. Still a chance for Army. 9-13. Tina Salak is all pumped up. She doesn't want to go too far away. She wants to play on Sunday regardless of the stakes. Valdez is caught.
Valdez is human after all.
Yes. Tao.
Tao lang. But Army has got to start Mount a rally now. They cannot wait till it's 2014 or 2017. They have to mount a rally now.
Now.
Now. I said now.
Hindi sa 18. Hindi sa 19. Oh, and even the miss hit is becoming a point. And Valdez knew it.
Look at that smile.
Kuko. Yun lang ang tumama ron. 14 Gs. Ano yung score natin? Bakit 15-10 tayo? 14-10 lang tayo.
Valdez again.
De Leon Soltones. It is out.
Everything really, we have to see it. Everyone's playing well para sa Smart Maynila. If not Valdez, you have Soltones, you have Cotruang.
They're playing stress-free.
Oo. They're making Army parang self-destruct.
Good point. Oh
There.
boy, even that is off. Santa Cruz missing it completely. And first to the second technical timeout is Smart Maynilad.